yet.
Okay, good.
Now it is.
Here he goes.
Oh, I thought he was going to do the big one.
Next time.
This is Daddy teaching Cheyenne how to do a cannonball.
Look at that board bend. Woo!
Ah, what was that? He couldn't even get his legs up there.
That belly got in the way.
Billy got in the way. That was lovely. What was that? Look at Cheyenne's like, what was that? It wasn't a cannonball.
Oh my goodness! You only allowed to do 3 times. Shut up.
What's she doing? Deciding? Oh, she's getting last minute tips. Oh! She didn't hold her nose. There she is. She's a swimming. She's a swimming. Oh, she's wiping the nose.
That's awesome.
I told him on the way up here, across here I should say, that he needed to spend more quality time with her. I was reading in that book.
What is he?
He needs to spend more time with her.